Welcome to Teach Me Money Methods. And in this video, I'm super excited to finally reveal my latest course that it just launched this morning on July 19th, 2021. It's called Fiverr Profits Academy. So let me take you through what you're going to get in this course if it's something that you're interested in. But essentially what you do with earning money on Fiverr is you pick different categories or niches inside of Fiverr. Now, you can go on my YouTube channel and you will see that I've created several videos on how to profit from Fiverr in many different ways. And I also every once in a while reveal some of my earnings and successful gigs. Well, this course is an all-encompassing, I put all of my gigs and successful gigs together and reveal everything over the shoulder training. So let's show you the sales page real quick. So this is a strategy where you can finally learn how to become successful online, delivering simple tasks using unique software. Learn from a real teacher. So that would be me, who's been making a living on Fiverr with simple gigs. I've been a Fiverr seller since about 2013, I would say. And I have had about 3 different accounts. And on this latest account, I show you that I've been using the last few years, how I've made thousands of dollars on that. We will look at some of the proof income screenshots below. But we can just come through here. There's a sales page, sales video here. It's about 3 to 4 minutes long. You're welcome to check that sales video out, but it's just a step-by-step guide in how to become successful. So how I'm making a living on Fiverr, selling simple services to customers that need them. A Fiverr training course that will actually teach you and show you the real practical ways to be successful on Fiverr, not your typical, this is the big kind of pitch for this course, is that this isn't your typical Fiverr course that you've seen before, where I'm going to show you how to create your first gig on Fiverr and then how to put up your image and your video, and then that's it. And then a little bit of how to research different gigs. That's absolutely couldn't be further from what this course actually is. I'm showing you the secret gigs that help me make you be successful day in and day out. So I'll even show you how I create a gig in competitive markets on Fiverr, and then within 48 hours actually get customers coming in organically, not promoting the gig in any way, and start getting orders. And one of the examples is in the writing niche. So writing is one of the hardest categories or niches on Fiverr to get into. And I show you how you can set up a blog writing gig and start getting customers the first few days or even week in the most competitive markets on Fiverr. So really, really good stuff, goodies. Click the link below at any time if you're interested, and it'll take you over to the sales page. You can check it out. And then if you click on any of these buttons here, it will take you down to the order button and some more stuff. And what I'm excited about teaching you in this course is that this is an actual way to succeed. You could take this, the sky's the limit on how successful you want to be on. You could even get your account to a level 1, level 2, a top rated Fiverr seller, and then even a pro level seller where you can charge a minimum of $100 per gig. And so this is actually, there's no fluff, and this is not based on theory. This is based on my actual experience selling on Fiverr, and you can get this course for a really good price. So you go ahead and read through the rest of this. One of the cool things too is that I am revealing the tools and softwares that I use in several of my gigs to allow me to create the product that I'm going to deliver to the customers very quickly. So I don't have to spend hours on it. I can spend 5, 10, 15 minutes to create a gig that maybe costs 10, 20, up to 35, $50 to deliver. And it can take you as low as 10 or 15 minutes to deliver. So really brilliant stuff with these software and the creativity of what I've been able to do on Fiverr. I'll come down and a little bit more about the course. And the course is 20 high definition videos, over the shoulder, unscripted video training. You guys know how my courses are. Several of you are customers of my other products. and I have a unique teaching style. I'm going to show you how to do gig research. And one of the other cool things that you will learn in this course is how you to go into these competitive markets and actually find like sub niches inside of the major niche. So like, for example, writing, but then there's several categories inside of writing that's still untapped on Fiverr right now. And you're getting all my successful gigs revealed. And then I'm going to show you how I even got $1,000 order from a customer, a $1,000 order from one customer. I'm going to show you that and what the gig was. So you can check out my earnings, where I'm earning over $1,000 months in 2020 and 2021. The total amount is over $8,000 on this account. And you can see right there in the different years, I'm having $1,000 months, right? And I had this year in 2021. So I'm teaching you stuff that is very current. I had March $1,000 month and April $1,000 month back to back. And I also show you how I will flip my gigs off. So you'll actually see in here where I have slow months. That's intentional. That's because I turned most of my active work gigs, stuff that requires me to actually be on a computer and actually type out or create videos or whatever I'm doing. I have to put in active hours to deliver those gigs to those customers. And so when I turn all those off, then the income goes down, right? But when I turn them back on, I get orders, and then it just fires right back up. And I do have an update video actually that I'm going to add to the end of the course, that during the filming of the course, I actually have most of my gigs on pause. And towards the end of the filming of the course, I actually flip them all back to be live just to see what will happen. And by the end of the recording, I actually got an order from a one that only had like 3 reviews, and it's in a very competitive niche on Fiverr. So I just want to prove to you that anyone can be successful and make money on the Fiverr platform. And that's what this course is all. So then just more of a sales page stuff right here. And then there you go. The price is $17. And I don't know what this is going to end up after the launch. It's a 5-day launch. So it's launching right now. It's live right now. Go check it out. July 19th. And on July 23rd, this special offer comes down, and you will not get a $17 price tag. So this is the time to pick this up if you are interested in something like this. So then I will show you the inside. Once you will get access immediately to the inside. And I also have a platinum version that there's only one upgrade, one OTO in this. I'm not a big fan of 12 downsells and 12 upsells and this whole massive funnel. I'm just creating valuable content. If we go back to the sales page, this is a almost 3-hour training course, and you can pick and choose which ones because the titles for the videos are there. Some of them you might not be interested in, so you could skip through them depending on if that's something that you would be interested in. But this isn't a 30-minute course that I recorded in an hour. I put a lot of work into this to make it the best it can be. And you're getting a lot of value. This course can easily sell for $100, $200, or even $300. So this is definitely a steal. And here's the back end when you actually get access to the course. This is what it's going to look like. Welcome to Fiverr Profits Academy. And you can see just a few of the videos right here. The introduction, what you'll learn in this course. And then I take you through a in-depth proof of earnings. And then all the videos are right there. So several videos to teach you how to become successful on Fiverr. And then I have some quick buttons in here. If you want to sign up to the platinum version, you can click there. If you already have the platinum version, you can come here to log in. And then I'm just going to show you what this one looks like is the one-time offer. It's the only one-time offer. And guess what? There's no downsell. It doesn't come back. You see this page one time, and you either see the value in it and want to pick it up, or you don't, and that's totally fine. But it does essentially shows you how I delivered the same product to over 100 people and had a massive success. And this is just talking about the first month, over 100 people selling it at $10 a pop. So I made over $1,000 in one month just clicking a button. I just clicked a button every time and the product was already done. And I show you how to do that, how to create the product, what software to use, and how to set up your gig. So there is a sales video right there. And then you would just come down here, and this is going for $27. I do put a quick note there that there's no, fancy downsells and upsells. It's just you get this offer and you can either grab it, or if it's not for you, that's totally fine, because you're getting a massive value of almost 3 hours of content on the front end offer. And this one is about 30 minutes worth of video. There's three videos, and it's about 30 minutes worth of training on this one. But this is definitely the most unique and the kind of secret gig that I didn't want to expose in the front end. So that is it. If you are interested in picking up Fiverr Profits Academy, now there might be several other videos. If you want to go and buy from an affiliate, that's fine. Maybe they have some bonuses to offer you, or if you just want to pick it up right now from me, that's fine too. Just click the link below and you'll be taken to the sales page. I appreciate your time today, and we'll see you in the next video.